Hey guys, check out my first weld.
I'm familiar with that, but soon
Spotted.
Do you want them to quit talking?
I thought it was just a mechanic place, but he does all kinds of cars.
How are you?
Hey man.
how are you, dude?
How you doing, boss? Here's the place. Oh, is that the new one that everybody has to sign?
Oh, you haven't signed that one yet?
Probably not.
Why not? I took care of it, don't worry.
Yeah, I did. I signed it. Renting electric motors? Yeah, nobody is doing that. That is pretty genius.
Hey baby, hand me a drop cooler up there.
Laid up here, and then we'll be able to access everything.
Was that planned that way?
You know, they make those ones where the seat base is
Offset.
no, that's the seat base. I'm talking about the actual mount. You know, the mount's generally in the middle of the 6 screws. There's one that hangs on the very end, and it does help a lot.
The offset.
It's not like everything. Yes, the offset pedestal mount.
Offset.
This is the shop, the first official TBNation Southeast Shop. It's obviously a work in progress, but it's here.
Welcome to TBNation Outdoors Southeast. We're in I can't do this. Hold on.
We have a shop in the Midwest, and we're going to be visiting that one next. But right now, we have a brand new shop here.
TBNation
Southeast.
Outdoors Southeast.
Do you want them to quit talking? Yep.
Hey guys, check it out. We already have a shop in the Midwest. Hey, come in here. Shop, this guy here in the Midwest. We're going to be visiting that next, but right now I want to show you our work in progress. Currently established TBNation Southeast Shop.
Located in Oxford, Georgia. We're going to be TBNation Outdoors Southeast with Chris from Send to John Boats and Troy Allred. And this is our shop. It's not much, 4 walls at the moment, but we have a current project in here. We have a lot of our tools and stuff set up over here, and the mud motor's up on the wall that we're going to be renting out to you guys to test drive before you decide what one you'd like to purchase.
We'll also be having electric outboards.
Yes, electric outboards.
We'll be doing some
here.
stuff. It really is a big deal, and we're going to have a bigger shop eventually in the back. It's a sign of very big things to come, but we're just really happy that we actually got a shop. Boys have been down here, the biggest concentration of us. They've all been just doing their own thing, and they finally decided to unite, and that's when things happen. Big dreams.
Big dreams. Yeah.
Buddy, both of our shops are in car lots. That is true.
We're right off Highway 138 out here, kind of on the backside of Loganville, if you guys are familiar with that. But soon a plastic boat parts. That's kind of what our main focus is going to be, manufacturing plastic products for you guys for these boats to hopefully help get some of these costs down on some things. We're also taking in full builds. Right now we have a 14-footer that's inside there, deep V. We have another flat bottom 1648 that's getting ready to come in. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, because we will post all those videos on the TBNation Outdoors channel now, right?
Yeah.
Change.
We do have a channel. If you notice, I changed my avatar and I kind of changed my outlook because we officially have made our own channel. It used to be the Tin Can Crew channel, which we have evolved. We've evolved to the TBNation Outdoors channel. So that's our official TBNation channel. So if you want to see anything that we're all doing collaboratively together, including new products, fishing trips, other stuff.
Builds coming out of the shop.
Yeah.
We're all going to put that on that one channel for you guys to view and see and stay up to tune with it.
Yeah, so be sure to check us out and subscribe there because it's a big deal. That is our really official collaborative channel now. It's up and coming. We're going to be putting a lot more content out on that. So if you want a little bit more of TBN and a little bit more of Fireant Boats and all of us,
Nate Eckold, we're all going
to all be there. We'll see you guys there, and we'll see you a little bit later. If you're in Georgia or if you're in the southeast area or even in the south, come and take us a bit. Come stop by. Pay us a visit. All right. We're going to load our crap up and we're going to go to the TC. There we go.
What? I'd like to try to roll it back.
Put it in the car. We'll go check out Chris's shop here. Dude, what is happening in there? What is that sound? Oh man. Did he just finally pull the boat plug? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Oh.
You gotta crawl under the boat to pull the plug.
Ew. What's happening there?
Excuse me, Squire, your ground is burned in half. Yeah, it's done. It's done. Got your wiring chip with you, right?
He burned the ground in half? Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yeah. You're done for it.
I don't know if I... Look at the corrosion. Do it again. Pop it up. Just coming out there. It's like a condom full of corrosion stuff.
Jumper cables.
Wow.
That's why you only use marine grade wire.
There it is. Oh, look at that, dude. You painted those?
Dipped them.
Okay.
That's the council for Jeremy's boat. Maybe.
Yeah, that was the closest green you could come up with to the green hybrid inner boot.
It's a piece of plywood.
Freaking sweet.
This is, yeah.
Those are stencils? He carved those out?
No, I think that's Cryptek.
Is he carving the stencils out of Duralar? I never thought
No,
about
those are bot. Those are
lady.
Cryptek. That's Cryptek camo. That's
He's
a
got a
bot.
lady that makes the stencils.
Yeah.
Well, I need to find who he talks to, 'cause I need stencils for lures. But I just realized I could make stencils out of Duralar. I can draw that in.
Right. But it'd be something similar to this. And this is going on that 21-foot, 30-inch side lake trout boat.
Wow.
He's gonna drive down and do the whole thing.
That's sick.
If you spend the money on that, though, I think you could like, sell them on some damn.
I can't have one of these in Illinois. You guys followed our Tennessee meetup. Carrie and PJ over here from 400 Geek and PJ Wraps did our trucks with the most awesome wrap ever. So you see Nate's truck looking all awesome all the time, and mine as well. Well, they also wrap boats, and their wraps come out really nice. Just the sheer design in it. Not to mention the expertise, obviously. Look how clean this thing's coming out with. For some odd reason, they like us. We don't exactly know why, but they keep wanting to do stuff with us, and they make the sickest boat wraps and car wraps ever. So we're super glad to be a part of whatever they want going on here.
What's this for, Troy?
That's my steering.
Oh, so you don't actually have to be back there? That's sweet. That is dope. Dude, he's got no tiller and no console. He's got an electric steering deal back here. I didn't even know that existed. That's freaking sweet. This is Troy's boat. We met Troy the last time we were in Georgia, and he came out to visit us in Tennessee. He's become a big part of who we are down here in the South. And this is his boat. He aimed to have the baddest electric John boat here in Georgia, and I think he has so far succeeded. I have not seen anything like this. Some come close, but just not like this. This thing is full electric. It's got a 50 horse in the back. They got a max speed of 27 miles an hour with, I think, 2 or 3 people inside of it, plus all those batteries, which were a pretty penny by themselves. All the add-ons, not to mention this custom turf job on the deck by Southern Cooler & Co., who we are trying to team up with to do more things like this. We will be scanning and producing custom turf kits just like this out of the Southeast shop and also out of the Midwest shop. Speaking of the Midwest, let's go check that shop out. Alright guys, we're in, where are we? Peoria? East Peoria, Illinois.
Yep.
On our way to do some things and then on the way to the shop in Pekin.
County on the spot.
Hey sir, how are you?
Just got to be Peoria. I thought, well, by golly, I'll stop in and grab it.
Here. Oh, look at those pods, huh? Those are dope. So it's just a complete transom rebuild, huh? Freaking it looks good.
Yeah, dude.
So that's Nate's transom. And then they re-welded and recapped it on the top of those things.
get all rested up?
We tried their
This is
best.
Mike and Nick, my partners.
Nice to meet you.
Mike's from Arizona and Nick's from Texas.
What's up, man?
Didn't know you was in town.
And they never told anybody about me.
We've come a long way from just doing garage boats with pool noodles and wood. Now we have full-on shops doing stuff like this. It's pretty awesome to see the progression of this place. Nate started off in his garage, which is even smaller than mine if you can imagine, all the way into a smaller shop and into this big beast of a shop where he has multiple boats and a whole crew working all at once. The last few years have been a little rough, and especially the recent few months on material costs, constant inflation, all that stuff really stinks to try and open a shop right in the middle of it. But sometimes it's shops that run right in the middle of chaos that become very successful in the midst of all of it. Thanks to you, we've had a pretty good run. We're gonna try even harder to make it work.
Guys, check this out. These are a lot of trailers. We started getting them in, which is really fortunate for us because trailers have now become a serious pain out there. But we're just glad to have them. You guys need a trailer? Come check us out. We have straight steel painted trailers, galvanized steel painted trailers, and we have some aluminum trailers back here. A little bit more expensive, but very, very much worth it. Hey guys, check out my first weld. This was Nate's showing me how to do it. And then, well, he did it up here again too. And this is me where I started, where it wasn't too hot. And then I figured it out for the first time, not too bad. So could have just been a procrastinating slacker and I just need to get on it. I started flux core welding still. I got stuff for that, but I got a welder, really much like that of Lincoln. It's a Hobart 190 and I'll be just getting that thing ready. I'll be on it by the time I come back. This is their welder. It's like what's this, 15 grand, Nate? How much you pay for this welder, 15?
9,700.
9,700, so $10,000 welder. Very much worth it though. That's very, very, very nice. So I don't know if I got that much money to throw in a welder, but I do like this.
Package near you, Walmart spool noodles.
Spotted. Just when you thought they were gone. We're taking them again, but not for what you think. What? Ow, ow.
The fabrication part of it is just one part. The other big part, maybe even the bigger part, is all the products and materials made and then shipped out. We have to make them UPS proof because of customer complaints and the sheer demand of the lids and the time it takes to make them. It takes around a week and then about a week to get to you. So it's around a 2-week turnaround from the time somebody orders something, and recently because of the increased demand it's been somewhere around 3 weeks. We are trying to speed that up, but aluminum parts are just part of what we're starting to carry.
What else you got here for us? Before the whole jokes about the Suzuki, at least we tried to get into all the outboard dealers actually, but they're really hard to get into. You have to have so many years in, so much revenue, and Suzuki was a little bit easier to get into. So for starting, here we are. And not to mention Suzukis make pretty darn good outboards. Say what you want about them. Pretty good looking motor. As I'm sitting here in the basement of Nate's house, just chilling. It's like a complete bachelor pad, stuff everywhere. It was quite an experience. It was really good to connect with these guys. I mean, you know, one of the biggest thing was to go down to the TEC and film and record that and, you know, help out ePropulsion as the main electric outboard sponsor there. That was a really big deal. And then to see the change, because man, I'll tell you what, there has been some pretty substantial changes. Since I checked out, I think it was the high voltage tournament. It was one of them, but it wasn't the championships. It was one of the clubs. We recorded one of their matches and then it was leading up to the clubs. Never did make it down there, but I did make it down there this time. And it's just really cool to see the progression of Nate's shop. It has really gone
a very, very long way and it's supposed to get bigger. You know, keep our fingers crossed. Bigger things are supposed to happen. Or we're going to try and make this, you know, this move. We need more time though, but you know, it seems like time's running out with everything going on in the country and in the world, and we just don't know. But we got to try. Just hope the God's on our side and that we can make it. Anyways, that's a wrap. It is freaking cold here in Illinois. It was like 30 degrees. I can't even fathom 30 degrees. I haven't felt 30-degree weather in years, and I'll tell you what, not a fan. I want to go back. It's 100-degree weather back where I'm at right now. I'm going to head right back there and just lay in it. All right, guys, I'll see you back in Arizona. I'm going to be really, really kickstarting projects and really getting going on all this stuff. I'm really super motivated. I kind of was hemming and hawing and kind of retracting. I get kind of really frantic when I know I'm about to leave. It's like I never have enough time, and I kind of blow out my time there trying to get stuff done before I leave to kind of make sure my family's okay versus working on projects. But when I go back, I'm going to just really go hard on projects and make sure I come out on top somehow. But I'll see you guys on the flip side. Thank you much for watching. Stay tuned.